I have no idea is a phrase that we have all uttered at some point in our lives. It's a simple statement that conveys a sense of confusion or uncertainty about a particular situation or topic. While it can be frustrating to admit that we don't know something, it's also an important first step in learning and growth. One of the reasons why people might say I have no idea is because they are faced with a problem that they don't know how to solve. This could be anything from a complex math equation to a difficult interpersonal conflict. In these situations, it can be tempting to give up and assume that the problem is unsolvable. However, it's important to remember that there is almost always a solution, even if it's not immediately obvious. By admitting that we don't know the answer, we open ourselves up to the possibility of learning something new and finding a solution that we might not have considered before. Another reason why people might say I have no idea is because they are unsure about their own abilities or knowledge. This can be especially true in academic or professional settings, where people may feel pressure to appear knowledgeable and competent at all times. However, it's important to remember that no one knows everything, and it's okay to admit when we don't know something. In fact, asking questions and seeking help is often a sign of strength and self-awareness, rather than weakness. Of course, there are times when saying I have no idea can be frustrating or even embarrassing. This might be especially true when we are in a position of authority or when others are looking to us for guidance. However, it's important to remember that we don't have to have all the answers all the time. Instead, we can focus on asking questions, seeking out information, and collaborating with others to find solutions. One of the best ways to overcome the feeling of I have no idea is to embrace a growth mindset. This means believing that our abilities and knowledge can be developed over time through hard work, practice, and persistence. By adopting this mindset, we can approach new challenges with a sense of curiosity and excitement, rather than fear or anxiety. We can also be more open to feedback and constructive criticism, as we see these as opportunities for growth and improvement. In conclusion, saying I have no idea can be a difficult admission, but it's also an important step in learning and growth. By admitting that we don't know something, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and opportunities. We can also embrace a growth mindset and approach new challenges with curiosity and excitement, knowing that we have the potential to develop our abilities and knowledge over time. So the next time you find yourself saying I have no idea, remember that it's okay, and that there is always a solution waiting to be discovered.